In today's video, we are going to put some microwave popcorn to the test, find out just which brand is best and how many bags you can put in one microwave at once.
Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Da 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 da.
We got microwave popcorn, and we have a lot of microwave popcorn. There are several things we want to try out with the microwave popcorn and see what they do. Among those, we want to read the instructions, and we want to disobey the instructions. We're going to try cooking microwave popcorn in all the ways that it says not to.
There are so many. Like, this is probably the most obvious that most people know. This side up. Why? Why does that side have to be up?
What
Does
if you put
really?
it the other side up?
I want to know.
We're also going to see what happens if you try and cook multiple bags at once. We're also going to do a little bit of taste testing, some different brands, see which ones we like the best.
Here's the basic idea. We are going to read the instructions on the back of our microwave popcorn bags, and then we're going to do everything you're not supposed to with it.
We got ourselves a jumbo microwave. This is a 2.2 cubic feet microwave. It's the biggest one that we could find on Amazon. Let's just do the taste test.
Taste test first, and then let's start disobeying instructions.
Let's do, one bag of each of the different types
Okay.
we have and see which one we like the best.
Okay, we have 7 different types of popcorn here.
3 of them are from Walmart, right? It's just like different levels of butter on them.
Yes, there is light butter, which I like to call useless. Then there's regular butter, which is slightly yet less useless. And then there is extra butter, which is correct. There are 2 different types of Orville. One is movie theater, one is ultimate butter. Then we've got our Pop Secret, which is extra salt. And then you've got your Jolly Time, which is Blast O Butter. So let's just compare.
All right.
Let's test it. Yep. This is mine now. Out of all of these, what would you say is your favorite?
I think it's a toss-up between the Jolly Time, the Blast O Butter, and the Ultimate from Orville Redenbacher. Let's try some other stuff with this.
Let's do everything you're not supposed to do.
All right, first up, I want to open one of these bags entirely, scrape out all the popcorn and oil, and see if it'll cook like in a bowl.
Okay guys, I just did something you should never do. I just stuck a chunk of this grease, that's not butter, it's just grease, in my mouth, and it's not even salty. It was just like it coated your tongue in fat.
That is strong and gross, but it is also, I'm getting a lot of buttery flavor and salty flavor in it.
Mine was just straight oil. Okay, so
Not good.
don't do that. Whee! Go popcorn, go popcorn, go. What I'm hearing is just the sound of my new microwave being destroyed.
Are you ready for this reveal?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Splattered everywhere. Look how unbelievably colored some of these are, though.
And then some of it has nothing. It has nothing. You get nothing.
It does, but it has like the flavor of the plain oil.
Yeah, just palm oil. Yeah.
Well, we've got some kernels left in there.
And oil, just a pile of oil.
Bubbling oil. Oh, look at the ceiling of the microwave.
So the next one, I want to try the one thing that you're not supposed to do with popcorn ever. See how this says this side down?
I do.
We're gonna put that side up. Here we go.
The popping commences.
There we go. Do we just have lots of exploding diamonds right now?
I think we have a bag full of popped diamonds, yeah.
Moment of truth, guys. I think it worked.
Well, that's just silly. It can't have worked. We did it upside down. Oh, it's harder to open. Maybe that's what happens.
And it's also smoking. That's not steam.
Well, maybe we did it too long. It was still popping.
I told you we needed to stop it sooner.
Do you think that's because we overcooked it, or do you think that's because we did it upside down?
I think we have to do another test. We're gonna do a couple of different things this time. 1, I get to decide when the popcorn comes out of the microwave. And 2, as Nate was saying, yes, this says this side up. That will be this side down, but we're also going to keep it folded. See what happens.
Maybe the bag's starting to inflate a little bit now, which means about 15 more seconds, I think we might start getting some popping if it's like the other bags.
Oh,
Starting
I
to
hear
pop. There it
popping.
goes.
Okay.
It unfolded itself.
This was upside down and folded. Pretty full.
Unfolded itself pretty nicely. Just one side, then a couple seconds later, the next.
Oh, that's steam, that's not burned. Check it out. Perfect popcorn. Guys, you can in fact microwave popcorn upside down and still folded. So this, I'm pretty sure, isn't savable. I'm just gonna keep in the plastic.
It's unfolded itself successfully. It's leaking butter out of the opening onto the plastic.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say that that's probably our limit right there.
Probably, yeah.
All right, let's see. Oh my gosh.
So it actually worked way better than I thought it would.
I didn't think it was gonna work at all. Okay, lots of burnt plastic.
I thought the plastic would like shrivel and burn, and
that was butter. I just melted butter all over myself.
Did get some melted plastic strands here.
I may have left that in there too long. It did burn a little bit, but check this out, guys. It made popcorn.
In the plastic.
In the plastic. We didn't even bother taking it out of the bag.
Oh.
If you leave the bag folded, and especially if you leave it in the plastic, it's kind of chewy. Like you lose that crunch to it.
Upside down, folded, and in the plastic. Still cooks the popcorn. Not bad.
Yep. All right, I've got this set for 10 minutes. Good to go?
Good. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop filming and kind of watch, and if we see anything that looks like flames, it's just pouring smoke out the back here.
Fastest way to lose the brand new microwave. This is everything that you want when you make popcorn. I like my popcorn extra crispy. It's yellow smoke. That's my favorite part. It's yellow smoke.
It's like painful too.
Yeah.
That hurt.
Yep.
I'm gonna open it. It's been in for 6
minutes.
6 minutes. We're just gonna open it here. Oh my word. That looks like a smoker has been living in there for 18 years. I think we pyrolyzed our popcorn.
Oh no.
So it stopped smoking because it had burned everything up. There's like nothing left to. Did you taste it?
That's awful.
Why would you? Even I'm not gonna taste that.
Yeah, you are.
No.
Yes.
Burned popcorn concentrate? No.
Nate, I tried it. You have to.
Just because you make bad choices doesn't mean I have to as well.
You have to lick it.
It just keeps getting worse. All right.
100 bags of popcorn in a microwave.
Microwave's been running for like 13 minutes, and we haven't heard much popping, and we haven't seen much smoke.
It's not very warm.
We're a little concerned that our microwave is just not functioning at this point. We may have ruined it when we cooked something in it for 8 minutes or whatever it was, and just filled it with smoke. So we're just gonna check and see what's going on inside.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, hey, it's sort of working.
Multiple bags expanded. Okay, so I think the microwaves get emitted from over here.
And we're covering them up.
And it just can't.
Okay, let's just take out just a couple. While this is running now with closer to about 80 bags of popcorn, let's take a look at what happened to some of the ones that were in there.
Definitely did not fully pop. Oh, a couple of kernels.
It doesn't even smell like popcorn, like not even burned. It just doesn't smell like popcorn.
It does taste a little weird somehow.
Yeah, like popcorn crackers. There we go. Let's just let the plate run.
So you just want to try like 10 instead of 100?
How many's that? Perfect. All right, let's go. Yeah.
It's hot.
That's hot.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Can you microwave 100 bags of popcorn at once?
If you have a big microwave, you can put 100 bags of popcorn in a microwave at once. They don't all pop or even close to it.
But we did learn some really cool things. Can you put a folded bag of popcorn in the microwave?
Yeah, works pretty much just as well.
In plastic?
It melts some plastic and your results may vary, but we ended up getting still some decent edible popcorn out of it.
So basically you can follow all of the instructions completely incorrect on a popcorn bag and still have popcorn. Just don't put 100 bags in your giant industrial brand new microwave. Guys, what do you want to see us put in a industrial sized microwave? This one may not be long for this world, but I will get another one. Guys, that's not all. You know we've always got more for you to see. Hit that box up at the top for our latest video, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.